Hey guys, are you wondering how much does interior design cost in India or how much to spend on home interior? Then this video is for you. I am Prashant, an interior consultant. Today we will discuss how to arrive at a suitable budget for your home interiors. Okay, before knowing how to arrive at an interiors budget, we should know why it is important to define an approximate budget for interiors before starting it. For this, let us consider an example of buying a car. Doing interiors is also more like buying a car. The core aspect of a car is to transport us from one place to another place. But cars are available in different budgets and in different sizes and shapes. Based on your preferences, whether you want more mileage or comfort, or based on the number of passengers will travel, you will buy a car of your choice within your budget. Similarly, the underlying aspect of interiors is to make available floor space into more efficient and functional area. Like in cars, interior can also be done based on your preferences, like whether you need functionality or would you like to add more comfort or you want a more fashionable and luxurious interior. So as per your requirements, your home interiors can be customized based on the budget. It is very important to give you a comfortable budget range along with the requirements to your interior designer, so that they would be able to give you better designs and solutions which can fit in your budget range. Also, this will prevent you and your designer from unnecessary anxiety, and in turn, they will provide you with a better solution in quick time. Also, if you want to know the key aspect of interiors before starting, please check the link above. So now, let's see how to design an interior design budget. Before we proceed, I would request you to like, share this video and also subscribe to our channel to get more related information. Okay, when it comes to doing interiors for a new home, we generally see clients have three types of requirements. So let's discuss the budget ranges for those three types. Firstly, we need to understand any kind of work which is done inside a home or office can be part of interior designing. For this video, we are considering woods and plywoods as base material for storages because they are more commonly used for interiors. The first type of budget range can be specified as entry-level interiors or standard interior requirement. If you are planning to do interiors for a house in which you want all the basic functionalities to be covered and you are planning to use most of your existing furnitures, or if you are planning to leave the house for rental, then the following budget range might work for you. For this, let us consider an example of 2 BHK 1000 square feet house, keeping 1000 square feet has the house built up area. You may ask, why built up area, why not carpet area? We can also use carpet area for budgeting interiors, but the given cost per range will increase. Okay, for entry level interiors, you can keep the cost range between Rs 250 to 500 per square feet of the house. In this example, our house is 1000 square feet, so the overall budget can vary between 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs. You may ask, why budget range? Because interior cost is influenced by many factors like quality of materials, size and quantity of objects needs to be done, design and type of the work involved as well. For this entry range, what you might get is modular kitchen, wardrobes and loft for the bedrooms, TV units, crockery unit, wallpaper in one or two walls, maybe fall ceiling in one of the house like the living room, mostly the woodwork storages with touch of designer work here and there. Okay, now let's move on to the next level of requirement. Let's call it the medium level interior requirement. If you are planning to do interiors for your house in which you want all the functionalities to be covered, plus you want to replace some of your old furnitures with the new ones and also want to add a good amount of design style to your house, then this range might work out for you. For this, let us consider an example of 3 BHK house with 1500 square feet built up area. With this level of expectation, you can keep the cost per square feet between Rs 500 to Rs 1000. So the budget range can be between 7.5 lakhs to 15 lakhs for a 1500 square feet house. For this medium range, you can expect to get all the woodwork, designed fall ceiling in key areas, wallpaper and claddings, some electricals, door and window curtains, some new furnitures, ACs in few area, and overall a good interior design styling. Okay, now let's move on to the last level of requirement. Let's call it the high level interior requirement. If you are planning to do interiors for a house in which you want all the latest technologies, plus you want to bring in all new furniture and also want to add a great depth of design style to your house, then this costing idea might work out for you. For this, let us consider an example of 3 BHK house with 2000 square feet built up area. With this level of expectation, you can keep the cost per square feet starting from Rs 1400 to Rs 2000. So the budget range can be between Rs 28 lakhs to Rs 40 lakhs for a 2000 square feet house. For this high level interior, you can expect to get best quality woodwork, designer false ceiling in all the areas, wall decorations, designer curtains and blinds, complete electricals, home automations, all new furnitures, complete air conditioning, and highest level of interior styling. Please keep in mind that the discussed budget examples are to give you a broad idea of what you can expect for the amount you are willing to spend. Also remember, even though your requirements greatly influence the budget, it also greatly depends on the skill of the interior designer. Selecting the right designer will also ensure whether you got the right value for the money spent. So choose your designer wisely. I hope today you have gained some knowledge regarding interior budgeting, and I guess this will help you to choose a right budget for your home interiors. I also hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. Until next time, see you guys.